Hi, I'm Dan and I'm going to Alaska. We're still camping down in Cochrane outside of Calgary, but we took a day trip up here to Banff and Lake Louise to see how this area is. It's a very pretty drive up here, really impressive mountains, and we'll try and show you some of the scenery here. So we've made it to Lake Louise. Instagrammers everywhere.
Shoot.
Maybe just a little bit too early to.
There, take my picture.
Well, change of plans. We liked it so much up here. We found a way to get into the Lake Louise Park campground. Normally reservations are required, but we're here before Victoria Day weekend, so it's first come, first serve. Since we've been staying here, this allows us to do a lot of things. We did a day tour in the Banff area that allowed us to see a lot of beautiful sights. We did the Banff gondola. We did part of the Johnston Valley hike up to the waterfalls. This is springtime here in the Canadian Rockies. It's in case it's needed for insurance. During the summer, there's a lot of people visiting here, and I would imagine that getting reservations for camping is tough. A good option is to stay in the Calgary area and take a day trip up here. It's only about an hour's drive to Banff from Calgary, and then another 45 minutes to Lake Louise. It gives you plenty of time to see what's here. There's long days, there's plenty of restaurants. Something else that I would recommend is taking a day tour so they can take you around to the places, because parking is pretty congested even now before the season starts. Thanks for watching. Those of you that have subscribed, be sure to push that notification bell so you can see my next video. We're heading out tomorrow on the Icefield Parkway and dropping into Alberta before we make our way up to Dawson Creek. Here it is, Cajun poutine fries at Popeyes in Calgary, Alberta. Cheese curds, Cajun gravy over fries. Well, since Lori has a reputation of food experimentation, she's going to try one. There it is.